What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you guys are having a fabulous freaking day. We have something crazy going on. Hopefully, we have something crazy going on.
Possibly.
And as you can see, Zach is in the video today.
Fuck you.
That was, you can't say that.
I'm kidding.
That was in the first 18 seconds of the damn video.
I bet.
We're so getting demonetized.
Leave it out.
So, Zach and I were talking today. He helped me at the shop for a while. And we're, what the hell? We're in traffic right now.
A little hot as that.
We were talking today, and he was like, yo, Dad, let's go get a tattoo. And I'm like, I don't know. I'm not about tattoos. I'm not about tattoos.
Only criminals get them.
Criminals and degenerates get tattoos.
Okay, let me give him some backstory. So basically, my man's here is covered in tattoos, but somehow, some way, never once got a dedicated Marine Corps tattoo. Somehow.
Well, we're not going to tell them what we're getting. They're going to have to wait till the end of the video to see what we get.
He never got a dedicated Marine Corps tattoo. So
well, kind of. I have my USMC one right here.
You can barely see it. You don't even know.
You can kind of see it.
Me and him were talking. We were like, what if we got matching dedicated Corps, like Marine Corps tattoos?
Yeah, dedicated Marine Corps tattoos.
Dedicated, and they're matching.
And we found out what we're going to do.
And normally, everybody does something like
a USMC or Semper Fi.
They put their MOS code like 0311.
Yeah, something like that.
All that stuff.
So we want to do something a little different.
We want to be a little
different.
So,
which people have gotten this tattoo before as well, but
it's definitely more rare. You don't see it.
It's definitely a conversation piece. If people see it, it'll be a conversation piece.
It'll be a conversation piece.
Yeah. So we're driving around looking at a couple different tattoo parlors and tattoo places. Camaro, that's like a V6. It's a V6.
But I like the wheels.
That's a V6
that
Camaro.
The wheels are ass.
V6 Camaro. They're Steelies, dude. They're Steely V6 Camaro wheels. I'm not even joking you. Dead freaking serious. So anyways, we're driving around a couple different tattoo parlors. I have my feelers out there for some couple people that I know that haven't gotten back to me. So we're going out to a place now that we heard about. We're gonna check some pricing, check if they can do it today. Hopefully they can. If not, maybe we'll extend this video out, or maybe we'll go to someplace else and get it done.
Or maybe this video will never see the lights of YouTube.
And maybe this video will never see the lights of YouTube. I don't know. But regardless,
it's a mighty car.
If you're watching this video, guys, we obviously got it done. And at the end of this video, towards the end of this video, you're gonna see what we got. And I think you guys are gonna be freaking
Monte Carlo. It's Monte Carlo.
And I think you guys shut up! I think you're gonna be very freaking astonished and amazed by what we get, because I know I'm gonna be happy with it. Zach's definitely gonna be happy with it, and we're gonna have some matching Marine Corps tattoos, which is gonna be freaking awesome, guys. So let's get to the first place and see what we got. See what we got going on.
Check this out. Turn a little bit. Here, slide over. All right, now turn this way a little bit.
Oh boy. I can't show you what the tattoo is gonna be, guys. Knife hand. We were at Tattooing by Me in Lancaster, and this is where Zach's gonna get his very first tattoo. And this is where I got my very first tattoo by this kind of beautiful gentleman right here.
Still beautiful.
And he's still beautiful. A little kind. And also a fellow U.S. Marine too, which is awesome. He actually gave me my tattoo on my 10-day boot leave when I got out of boot camp before I went to MCT. Zach's a little late in the game here, but...
Yeah, wait until...
Hi. 5-round shaders, please.
It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Are you going with the shaded version or the solid version?
Well, here's the advantage.
Oh, okay.
I can shade some, let them look at it.
Okay.
Like it, I can shade oil, and then solid.
There you go. I think the shaded... I want to see the shaded. I'm kind of interested in the shaded. I think that'll look cool. We're gonna watch Zach get a tattoo. It's gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be covered. Oh yeah.
First tattoo, first needle.
Oh, I thought this was going to hurt.
I mean, it eventually gets a little sore, but that's not a very sensitive spot though. So far, Zach, what do you think?
This is gonna be a problem. I'm
gonna be a problem.
I'm gonna spend way too much money on that.
Well, it could be meth. So
and that's good it's not that.
It's not meth though.
That's what I'm saying. I'm just saying it could be.
I'll little nervous, but
You were a little nervous. You thought it was gonna hurt.
Yep. No.
And I told you, I was like, it's a weirld feeling. You gotta
You're
keep.
gonna have those 6 spots in this right there.
Oh yeah, ribs.
Oh yeah.
I kind of know.
Ribs hurt. I got tattoos on my ribs. They hurt.
Oh, and don't put your wife or girlfriend's name on the head of your pee-pee. It's not-
Don't do that.
I will not do that.
That's
I
also
will
very
avoid
bad.
I
Names
wish somebody would have told me that.
He's got to cross it out and put the next one.
Oh God.
Dude, no. You have no idea how bad that hurts. Just take your dick, slam it in a car door. That's not good enough, though. You have to do it repeatedly 5 times.
Not as bad as all the shots when I got to boot camp.
That was bad.
That was worse.
That's always bad.
You know, I vaguely remember. You know what I mean? I remember walking the gauntlet.
Gauntlet?
Just bam,
Yeah.
bam, bam, bam.
Oh yeah, it's the gauntlet.
Inside of you. Inside
Yup.
of you.
It's rolled sleeves. Poke, poke, poke,
No
poke,
messing
poke.
around.
And one goes in your ass at the end.
I don't remember.
Oh yeah.
I don't remember that
I don't know if you
shot.
guys got,
I
I got
don't.
one. I got
You
one
know,
in my ass.
you know what's really cool though? I can remember my drill instructors and senior.
Oh my God, yeah.
Nope.
You never forget your
Nope.
drill instructors in senior DI.
No.
You never ever forget
Sergeant
those
Wesley,
guys.
Sergeant Dean, and Staff Sergeant Williams.
Yeah.
And how many fucking years ago was that?
Yeah, a lot. It's been 20 years for me, and I remember every single one. I remember what they look like and everything.
Yep.
Join the
me
Marine
too.
Corps.
You never forget. You never forget. Those guys make an impact on your life. 100% impact on your life.
Huh?
And you hate them while you're there, but you love them when you leave.
Well, you want to make them proud.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You want to wait for him outside the gate.
Yeah.
Yo, for real.
Take a look, bro. Look at.
All right, we're going to show you what he got. That looks so
That looks
freaking
really
good. Damn, that looks good.
I did it.
Yeah.
That looks freaking good. All right, you guys ready? We're going to reveal it. And then we'll tell you what it means later, but we're going to reveal it right now. If you guys know what it means or what it says, comment below in the comments and put it down there. You'll know. If you're a Marine, you know. But that's it right there.
Then wipe your arm off.
I'm next. My turn now. We're actually getting matching tattoos. The same tattoo.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Which is going to be awesome.
Awesome sauce. Going out so hard lately, though.
Oh, yeah?
Like usually I'll hear the door or I'll hear the phone.
Mm-hmm.
Man, oh man, oh man, I've been out so deep. I like my naps better than I like my sleep.
Tell me, what are you looking at right now?
I'm looking at pictures on the ceiling. Maybe you want to show the viewers.
Of me sleeping?
Of you sleeping.
Me sleeping. That's what that shit is.
Ah,
I sleep good, man. I'm telling you.
are you nervous for your first tattoo?
I am. I'm a little nervous.
Okay.
For
Are you
my
gonna
first
scream?
tattoo.
You think? You
I might
cry?
Well, I guess you would be okay then.
Oh my God! Here we go.
Nope. There's the needle right there.
Not too bad.
It's your first tattoo.
My very first one.
David coming today?
That was hydrofluoric acid.
Yeah.
We wanted to order CREO so bad. We get tickets, but she bought all the orders out. So.
Oh, nice. That's awesome.
It is fun.
Nice.
I got a metal detector I'll probably never use. I don't have the time to go do it, but I'm really looking forward to it. I got a sound bar for my TV.
Okay.
Because I can't fucking hear.
I got a tattoo. Here's that. Mine's gonna hurt a little bit more than yours.
I think that hurts more.
He was rough with me.
Yeah, sure it was.
First timer, you know, you gotta just stab him. You see?
Bandage.
All right, guys, we both got our tattoos. Yeah, make it a wide left because of this car. We both got our tattoos, and I don't know if you guys comment below, but we're gonna read some of the comments. Hopefully somebody was right, but how do you pronounce it, Zachary?
Twelfel-Hunden.
Twelfel-Hunden.
And he still can't fucking say it right.
Twelfel-Hunden.
Nope, it's not. We're not truffle hunting, bitch.
We're truffle hunting, motherfucker.
Twelfel-Hunden.
Truffle hunting
Let me explain
is.
what it means. Let me explain what it means. I'll take
Okay,
this.
you
Left
go
and
ahead
right,
and take.
bitch.
We're
You
making a
direct.
left, bitch.
Okay, so fucking the Marine Corps.
Well, we gotta find a Wendy's.
They have many. We do have to find a Wendy's. So let me explain. So the Marine Corps, right? We have many names, like the United States Marines.
Make it right then.
Some other things is there's a lot of traditional. The fucking bus. There's a lot of like traditional names that the Marine Corps has, such as, for example, one is Leatherneck. Leatherneck is a traditional.
Oh, there's a Wendy's up there actually.
Fuck. Leatherneck is a term that was used because back in the fucking long time ago, Marines had these leather collars they wore on the neck for sword slashes and shit, right? So Marines earned the name Leatherneck, which is a cool little traditional thing. Well, back in World War I at the Battle of Bellawood, it was the Germans' first encounter with the Marine Corps, and we fucked shit up. For lack of any better term, we fucked shit up.
We definitely made shit happen.
The Battle of Bellawood, we were
when it comes to
fucking
battles.
shit up. And the Germans had never seen some shit like that, and they were like, damn, these guys are fucking crazy. So out of the few Germans that survived, they came back and they wrote letters about it to their command and shit, and they described the Marines as being so vicious like hounds of hell. Such is that word, Twelfel it means hellhound. So the United States government found out about this, and they're like, damn, they're calling our Marines hellhounds. And normally you'd be like, what an insult, this is unbelievable.
Not the Marine Corps.
And they're like, yeah, that shit's badass.
Yeah, badass.
So the Marine Corps adopted the name with a small change, and they whoa.
That's a bus.
He's
Calm
fucking
down.
all over the place. So fucking they adopted the name, and they said, fuck it, that's cool. We're gonna call ourselves Devil Dogs. And about fucking not long later, all of our recruiting posters, back for World War I, all our recruiting posters said Twelfelhunden, and it had a little picture of a fucking bulldog chasing a dachshund.
Yep.
And said German nickname for the United States Marines.
And it became known as the Devil Dog.
We very proudly now call ourselves Devil Dogs.
Devil Dogs because of it, yeah. So we decided that that would be an appropriate tattoo because we were looking around and we were like, yeah, you know, a lot of people have Semper Fi and USMC, and I do have a little USMC tattoo on my arm.
But who the fuck has
but there's not a lot of people that have Twelfelhunden. Am I saying it right again?
No.
I can't say it right because I don't speak German, man.
Well, here's the other thing, is like, even like tattoos that say Devil Dog on them are a little more on the rare side.
Yeah.
And we were like, well, Devil Dog would be cool.
Yeah. This would
but
be
what
something.
if we got that shit in German?
Yeah.
Like
So to have it in German and Old English and German.
And have it in that old style font.
It would be so cool. Plus, it's a good conversation piece because people don't know. A lot of people, unless you're a Marine, don't know what it means. So people are going to talk about it. I'm like, yo, what's that on your arm? Why does it say that? What's it mean? And it's a good conversation piece as well.
Conversation piece.
But Zach
what's that
is
mean?
now.
It means I'm fucking better than you.
Oh my God, Zachary. But that is Zach's very first tattoo, guys.
No, listen, that
very first, and probably not his very last.
Listen, everybody bitches and moans and complains. Oh, tattoos are. That shit was fucking awesome. And
he loved it.
Blood stripe. And an addiction has been started.
Yep.
And
I got another one added. That was my Christmas present from Zach.
I'm going to be a fucking problem because
he'll have a sleeve when he comes home from school.
I'm already fucking hooked. I mean, I actually genuinely plan on, when I come back from school from California, I plan on having my left arm entirely done. So.
Yeah, just like I said, make sure you get what you want and make sure it's placed where it is.
In the wise words of Eminem, nobody has ever regretted a tattoo.
Well, that maybe, unless there was a female's name. But they're not together anymore.
On the head of your dick. Hey, shout out to our tattoo artist.
Yeah, definitely awesome. Huge shout out to Tattooing by Me in Lancaster on Columbia Avenue. If you guys are looking for a tattoo, he is freaking phenomenal. He did mine 20 years ago. He did my feather on my arm, and I've since obviously been to a lot of different tattoo artists, a lot of very, very talented and very, very good tattoo artists that have done a lot of great work for me in the past. And it just so happened that we came across him by pure accident, and I told Zach, I was like, he is the guy that did my very first tattoo, and wouldn't it be cool if he did your very first tattoo? And obviously the tattoos, you know, very simple tattoos, very nice looking tattoos, but they turned out fucking amazing.
The dude was fucking awesome.
And he's cool as shit. And I will definitely be going back to him for some more future tattoos as well.
And to have a Marine as well.
And yeah, and to be another Marine as well, which is also pretty badass. Look at the Lancaster City Christmas tree, guys. Look at that. Even though Christmas is over, long over. Yeah, you go around the statue, goofball.
Fat-ass truck, and I'm in a very not fat-ass road in the city.
Well, guys, we hope you enjoyed the content. I'll try to get some videos out here for you. I've got some other stuff that I've been working on, but hope you guys enjoy the.
We'll definitely add pictures too of like nicer pictures of it.
They have a whole video of it. They can pause the fucking video.
I'm trying to be fucking nice for you.
Stop cursing them. My video's gonna get demonetized.
Look at all these guys.
What is going on
Wedding
here?
or a funeral?
Oh, it's a wedding! Run, motherfuckers! Run! Run!
Well, can't save them all, guys.
Can't save them all, guys. All right, we're gonna end this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Put it on all, and also follow me at Diablo Performance Racing on Instagram, guys. But other than that, we're out. Woo! Good.
Deuces, bitch.
Doses.